Receiving an inheritance can be a complex life event. Let us break down what happens when assets are passed down to beneficiaries. Inheritance is the practice of passing on property, money, or investments to heirs upon the death of an individual. Most people worry about taxes, but the federal government generally does not tax the person receiving the inheritance. Assets move through different channels, such as beneficiary forms on accounts, or through a legal process known as probate. It is important to distinguish between inheritance tax, paid by the receiver, and estate tax, which comes out of the deceased's assets. Inheritances often consist of a mix of cash, physical real estate, and financial investment accounts. Always verify local state regulations, as they can differ from the federal standards we discussed today. Navigating these legal and financial waters can be difficult. Consult with a professional for your specific situation. Thanks for watching.